Yes, children, we will do question number 5 here of the same exercise 4.4 quadratic equations. What is question? Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter? Of perimeter 80 meter it is given and area is 400 meter square. What is given? Is it possible the perimeter can be 80 meter and area can be 400 meter square? Is it possible? If it is possible, then find its length and breadth. We will suppose, let length of rectangular garden is x meters and breadth be y meters. Therefore, let length be x and breadth be y. What is given? According to question, perimeter is 80. That means 2 into length plus breadth equal to 80. And it is given in question, the perimeter is equal to 80. That means x plus y equal to 80. X plus y equal to 80 by 2, that is 40. It is 40. Implies x equal to 40. You transfer this y to this side, it is 40 minus y. So this is value of x here. And second statement is given, area is, that is length into breadth. Length into breadth, this is area. This is length into breadth is area. It is given in question, length is x, breadth is y. So area is x into y, length into breadth, which is equal to area, which is given in 4, that is 400. X into y equal to 400 here. You substitute for x is 40 minus y. So instead of this, I will substitute 40 minus y into y equal to 400. So you multiply it, 40y, this implies 40y minus y square equal to 400. Transfer both to this side, it is y square minus 40y plus 400 equal to 0. First, let us check the discriminant first. What is discriminant here? It is b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 40. It is minus 40 whole square. Minus 4a. A is 1 and c is 400. So discriminant equal to 1600 minus 1600. So discriminant is 0. Therefore, when d is 0, therefore there are 2 real and repeated roots. Let us check what are the real and repeat. X equal to minus b by 2a, and for minus b by 2a. This is the condition for when discriminant is 0. Then there are 2 real roots, 2 real and repeated roots. It is minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. You substitute for b here. B is minus 40. Minus b is minus 40 divided by 2a. What is a? A is 1. So it is 40 by 2. 40 by 2. So it is 20. So another value is also 20. So x length is, therefore length is 20. Therefore length is 20 meter. And breadth is 20 meter. So this is possible. This is possible. If length is 20, because square is a rectangle. So length is 20, breadth is 20. If you find perimeter, that is also 80. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, 80. And if you want to find area, 20 into 20 is 400. So hence verified. So length of this rectangular garden be 20 meter and breadth can be 20 meter. Thank you.